Hello everyone, my name is Emma. Welcome to our channel. We are so happy to see you here. Thank you for watching this video.
On this channel, you can learn English through simple stories and conversations. You can improve your speaking, listening, and everyday English.
Hello everyone, my name is Emma. Welcome to our channel. We are so happy to see you here. Thank you for watching this video.
On this channel, you can learn English through simple stories and conversations. You can improve your speaking, listening, and everyday English.
Before we begin, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Subscribing helps us make more lessons for you. Thank you so much. Today's story is about going to the vegetable market with my mother. We will talk, ask questions, learn new words, and listen to conversations. So please keep watching until the end.
Today's story is about going to the vegetable market with my mother. We will talk, ask questions, learn new words, and listen to conversations. So please keep watching until the end.
Lucy, are you ready?
Yes, Mom, I am almost ready. We need to buy vegetables for the week.
Yes, we need tomatoes, potatoes, onions, carrots, and many more things.
That sounds nice. I like buying fresh vegetables.
Good. Finish getting ready and come to the kitchen.
Okay, Mom, I will be there in 2 minutes. Mom, what vegetables do we need? Can you tell me again?
Sure. We need tomatoes for salad and sandwiches. We need potatoes for curry. We need onions for many dishes. And we need carrots for soup.
What about cucumbers? I like cucumbers.
Yes, cucumbers too. We can buy cucumbers for salad.
Are we walking or taking the bus?
We are walking. The market is not far.
I like walking. It feels good and healthy.
Do you have your bag?
Yes, I have my small bag. And I have some money too.
Good. Let's go. Please lock the door.
Wow, the market is busy today. Many people are shopping.
Yes, mornings are always busy. People buy vegetables and fruits for their families.
I can see many colorful vegetables.
Yes, the market looks beautiful with all these colors. Good morning. Fresh tomatoes today. Would you like some?
Good morning. Yes, please. How much for 1 kilogram?
1 kilogram is 200 rupees.
Okay, give me 1 kilogram, please. How much are the potatoes?
Potatoes are 150 rupees per kilogram.
Let's buy 2 kilograms. We need them for curry and fries.
Onions are 250 per kilogram.
Okay, give me 1 kilogram of onions and half a kilogram of garlic, please. Mom, the prices are high today.
Yes, sometimes prices go up and sometimes they go down. It depends on the season.
What is season?
Season means the time of the year. Some vegetables grow in summer, some grow in winter. That is why prices change.
Oh, I understand now. Fresh carrots, very fresh carrots. Fresh carrots, very fresh carrots.
Sure, and 1 kilogram of cucumbers.
The carrots look very healthy.
We also need spinach. 2 bundles, please.
We also need spinach. 2 bundles, please.
Yes, bananas are healthy. Let's get some bananas and apples.
I love apples. Mangoes are my favorite fruit. The bags are heavy.
Yes, but we are almost done. Let's go home now.
I enjoyed going to the market with you. I learned vegetable names, prices, seasons, and how to talk to vendors.
Learning is fun when we do things together.
Yes, and I practiced English too.
Thank you everyone for watching this long lesson and story. We hope you enjoyed learning English with us today.
Please take care of your health, eat fresh vegetables, and stay happy.
Before we go, please remember to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends and family.
Your support helps us make more videos for you.
Take care and goodbye.